Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the HTML form handling in PHP section. This is a review. You're ready to start handling forms in PHP. To review, we have this shorthand version is the same for this longhand PHP opening tag echo version. So we can use this instead of this. PHP provides superglobals, which can be accessed anywhere in the script. We have the get superglobal, which is an associative array containing data from a get request. The post superglobal is an associative array containing data from a post request. The request superglobal is an associative array containing data from both get and post request. It should only be used if you don't care which method was used. The array keys in the PHP request superglobals are set by the name attribute in the HTML form, which need to be unique. The action attribute is used to specify which file should handle data from the form request. Our instructions say this code contains two forms, a form using the get method, which is submitted and handled by handleget.php, a form using the post method, which is submitted back to the same file, no action attribute. Use these forms to check your understanding of how PHP handles the form inputs. Make sure to test your knowledge regarding forms in PHP. Go back and look at the get method lesson and the post method lesson and make sure you understand the difference from the two, such as with the get method, we will see our URL change when submitted, while a post request is sent in the HTTP headers and will not show up in the URL. Make sure to understand superglobals and how we're able to access get, post, and request data. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting the review, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Hey, quick question for you. Are you happy with your current job or career? Do you like to go to work every day and see yourself doing what you're doing right now forever? If not, I'd like to share with you a little bit about the sponsor of this video, the Programmer Coach. The Programmer Coach is an online coding program that helps people learn how to code and get a high-paying job as a software developer. Their program is unique in that they teach you how to code by doing, through practice, which is truly the only way to learn any skill at the end of the day, right? Plus, they provide you with coaches to help you whenever you run into any issues. They also have career coaching and placement services, where they work with you and help you get your first job as a software developer. And the best part, their program is affordable and accessible for anyone and everyone. That's right, you won't pay the bulk of your tuition until you actually land a job as a software developer. To learn all of the details you would ever need and get all of your questions answered, simply go to becomeaprogrammer.com. Becomeaprogrammer.com. Once again, that's becomeaprogrammer.com.